Hey everyone, welcome back to Killer Performance. In today's video, we have several things to cover, several F-150 projects that we're just finishing up and new ones that we're starting. We're finishing up with my personal truck, which is a ON3 kit, stock motor F-150 with a 6466 fuel system, built trans, full bolt-on E85. We'll have that dyno coming up in this video. In addition to that, we also have another new project today. It is a 6466 ON3 twin turbo kit on a RPG built motor F150. So we're going to find out in the next upcoming weeks what the ON3 kit is really capable of, how robust is it, what's the longevity of it, give our full in-depth opinions of the ON3 kit, which everyone always asks about. We'll be covering that in this kit. Also, we have another F150 coming in. That's a Whipple kit and an IHC kit that will be coming up in the next week, but we'll be covering that. And lastly, we have a draggy of my personal truck after the dyno street hit. We're going to see what it does. You tell me in the comments after the dyno what you think it'll do 0 to 60 and quarter mile on the street, no prep, with some drag tires. That's all coming up. Follow us along and let's see how it goes. Okay, as you heard in the beginning, we do have a ON3 kit coming along. This is a RPG built motor, Gen 4. It has a stock crank with rods and pistons in it. We're going to put ON3 6466s on here. Off-the-shelf kit of ON3 with the upgraded Turbo Smart wastegates. We are ON3 dealers, so we sell them, we stock them. We have kits in stock sometimes. So follow along if you want to see how far that goes. We're also an RPG dealer. So if you're looking at doing an ON3 twin turbo kit or single with a built motor, we can take care of you all in-house right here. Follow along and let's see how far the 63 or the 6466s will make it. Today we have our KP800 F150. This is a ON3 twin turbo kit that we put an 18 manifold on. We've upgraded to the Turbo Smart wastegates and blow-off valve. So we're going to put this on around 18 pounds and see what it does. We are dealers for ON3 Performance. We are dealers. This has a Aeromotive fuel system. We're an Aeromotive dealer. If you come around to the side, this one specifically, we're on our Weld race package. This one has our 17-inch wheel package with a 28-inch tire and a 331 gear for four-wheel drive. We've also done our IHC. We're an IHC dealer. The IHC 3.5 kit with the traction bars. Paint match some of it. We do all that in-house. And if you look at some of the powder coat on here, we also do the powder coating in-house at Killer Performance. If this is something you're interested in, give us a call, 816-629-1004. We can go from mild to wild, as crazy as you want to get with any F-150. In addition, when you swap on the 18 manifold, you can see this inlet pipe actually gets in the way of the stock overflow tank. So we've actually even come up with one of our own custom mounts for the Mishimoto tank. We also have these on our website. If you want to do the 18 manifold with the F-150 kit and you don't want it to hit your overflow, this is one of our kits online.
KP800 made 987. What do you got to say about that, Curtis?
Yeah. It's an overachiever like everything we do, right?
Yep. What's Just Tune think about it?
Curtis is too scared to floor his own car on the dyno.
I'm scared of the 980. Yeah, that's You know what's really crazy is to do it back.
That and make more
You know
power
what I
the
mean?
next time,
Probably because it wasn't spinning.
right?
Heated the tires up.
That's legit.
Roman highs, dog. Roman highs.
I'm happy. All right, so there are the dyno numbers. Next week, we're going to go out. We're going to put the drag tires back on this again, and we're going to do a no prep hit on 15 pounds. Let me know in the comments what you think this thing will run 0 to 60 and a quarter mile in the next video coming up.